Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another Woof Wix haul. Amber and Steven put a little note on my order slip here that it looks like they typed it up and printed a label. That's cute. All right, so this is the card here. I'm sure you guys have seen it like a bazillion times. I feel like I've hauled Woof Wix like 3 times on my channel so far. So I am loving Woof Wix. I think just obviously I've already said about the card is cute, the husky, the whole thing. Okay, so they are very generous with their samples. I went back in after I placed, so I made an order when they had their restock, and then there were a few things that I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab them right now because, you know, they seem to make things different for each restock. So I was kind of like, let's just grab the things that I like now. So, and they make them in pretty small sizes and they're really affordable. So the first thing I have is Husky Coconut. And it just sells it. It's a sample melt. That's a very nice size and very nicely decorated sample. So Husky Coconut is obviously some sort of coconut. I mean, duh. Kind of smells a little bit beachy, but I will pop this in a warmer and get a better feel for that one. I did get another sample of Canine Carnival. So I know they put the scent description for Canine Carnival. I feel like there must be cotton candy in there. Because I said it smelled kind of girly, but I have a feeling the girly part is probably the cotton candy that I'm smelling. I'm not sure, but I just love the time and care they take on their labels. I think that's nice. And then Grape Cigar. I think that's adorable. Grape Cigar. There's another sample. This one, oh, this one's really nice. You know, I'm not a big lover of grape scents, but you know, when you mix them right, they smell actually pretty good. Like they're not, it's just really toned down with that, I guess the cigar note. Yeah, that one's pretty. I think my husband would actually really like this one. So the first one I grabbed, obviously this, I hauled this in my last one. This is Birthday Boy. And this one is, I think it's on here. It's cake batter ice cream, strawberry cake, and sugar cookie dough. And I think I said this one kind of reminded me of Happy Birthday from Super Tarts. It kind of does, but I feel like, what is it? Maybe it's the sugar cookie dough is kind of maybe adding a little bit something different. But look how cute that is, that bone. And then there's a paw in here as well. So I really liked that one, so I decided to order a second one of that. Oh, okay, so this one I got a sample of in my last order. This is the perfect example of why samples I think are so important, because honestly, you will go back in and order things. Okay, also when I pronounced this the last time, I was like, oh, it's pea upside down cake. It's pupside down cake. Oh, I'm sorry, pupside down pineapple cake. I don't know why I didn't see that before, but when I was going back in through the editing, I was like, what the heck? So there's that, super cute. This one is very light on the pineapple, but it's heavy on the, like I feel like there's a strong pie crust scent in here possibly, or a bakery tone in here. I can't quite figure out what it is, but it's very, very good. It's not heavy on the pineapple whatsoever. You can kind of smell it a little bit, but if you're looking for like a strong pineapple, I don't think this one is it. I just really liked it because it was a nice bakery scent, and I like the little addition of pineapple, but it's not something like pineapple is not one of those scents that I always want super strong. So that one's good. I did go ahead and grab another grape snuggle, because I was so impressed with this one. I was just like, I thought it was such a unique combination. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about it, but it's really nice. It's just, I don't know, like it's light on the, well, not light on the grape, but it's not overly grape. It's just kind of a nice combination of the laundry and the grape. Okay, and then I grabbed a honeysuckle pearberry. This just sounded like an interesting blend. I haven't tried a lot of, I do like pear when it's mixed right, so I decided to try this. I thought this would be pretty for my daughter's room. Okay, this is pretty strong honeysuckle here. And you do get the pear. Pear berry. I don't know that I've ever had pear berry. It's like a honeysuckle pear. That one's really pretty. Again, I'll try that one. Okay, let's just go through these scent shots really quick. So I did reorder. I got as a sample in my last order fresh air, so I ordered the 2-cup pack. So they have different options, like when you're ordering, they have like a 2-pack of cups. They have the paw and bone, they have clamshells. What else do they have? I don't know. I haven't ordered enough to know. They also have a 4-pack, which I ended up getting in this scent because I love it. This is Mr. Wolf, and I had warmed this in the bedroom, and my husband was like, can you get some more? And I was like, yes, because I really like it too. So this is mahogany, teakwood, and coconut, I believe. It's a very manly, if you're looking for like a manly, whoops. If you're looking for a manly cologne type scent. Oh, this reminds me of a man's cologne so much. When it's warming, it's so nice. I love this scent. So I grabbed a few of those so I could always have them ready for the bedroom. And then I got this in like my first order, I think. It's bananas in pajamas, and I think it's like some sort of banana. What is it? It's like some sort of banana cake, I think. Let me see if it says on my, nope. I believe it's like banana walnut something, and then mixed with the laundry, which I thought was such a unique combination. It just smells really good. I don't even know like what to say about it, but I always pop my scent shots out. I stick them on the cup like this, and then I smell them that way. I don't know why I do that, but I think I saw Angie do it like a long time ago. Ever since then, it just like stuck. I dump it out, hold it in the, and smell it that way. Sometimes things are, you know, like, sometimes like when you smell the top. Oh, I do this with clamshells too. I always take the clamshell out and I smell the bottom, because I feel like sometimes when you smell the top of the clamshell, you're not getting like the full scent. So if you take it and smell it on the bottom, especially if it's like two-toned and the vendor has done like 1 scent on the bottom and 1 scent on the top. I've had that happen a few times. This one is just really nice. It's just been like, not a candied banana, or like a, you know, like how they say runts, I think is the banana. It has like the candied banana scent. This is more of like a really bakery banana and laundry. The laundry might be Gain, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay. So that is that. That is my order. Like I said, just a small order. By now I have 3 orders with them. I think 3 or 4 orders. So I'm pretty good on their stuff. They seem to always have a nice variety. I don't know why my camera just wants to be so rigid like that. Okay. So yeah, they have a nice variety of scents. It seems like they have a little something for everyone. Like they have your manly scents, they have bakeries, they have like fresh air, clean, tobaccos, caramels, everything, anything anyone could want. I feel like you could find something in one of their restocks. So I will put their website down in the description box below. I try to include like a little bit of information down there sometimes. I do have my Instagram if you're ever interested in following me on Instagram, although I want to get into more warming pictures or talking about vendors, because it was Lush related. I was posting a lot of Lush baths over there, but maybe I'll try to get back more into like the wax type of things, Lush and wax. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will stop rambling now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.